Storm doors are not perfect seals, so if you're feeling drafts or seeing light through your new Larson storm door, that's actually pretty normal and doesn't always mean the contractor messed up. Here's the deal. First, storm doors aren't designed to be airtight like your main exterior door, so some spots will let air sneak in. Second, temperature changes affect how the door closes. Hot days and cold days can make the door fit a little differently because materials expand and contract. Third, when your main door is closed and you try to shut the storm door, it sometimes won't latch right away because of that air pocket between the two doors. Fourth, if other doors or windows inside your house are open, it can change the air pressure and make the storm door close weirdly. Fifth, it's super important to set expectations up front so folks know what they're dealing with before installation. Sixth, if your storm door doesn't close smoothly or feels loose, check the closers. They usually have screws you can tweak to adjust the pressure. Seventh, sometimes the threshold might be bowed or uneven, which can cause gaps or sloppy closure. That's something a good contractor should fix during installation. Lastly, remember that if the seal gets too tight, it can actually make closing harder because there's no space for air to move out of the way. One of the biggest mistakes people make with storm doors is expecting them to be airtight like a submarine hatch, which is just not how they work. Fix this by understanding their purpose better. Another common issue is ignoring temperature-related behavior. Materials expand and contract, so adjusting the closers seasonally can really help keep things smooth. The third problem is not checking or fixing a warped threshold, which leads to drafts and poor door alignment. A professional should straighten or replace that part to make sure everything fits right. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. For contractors themselves, it's a great way to find more work and build their reputation by offering premium service and quality results.